So this is our fireplace, which just sort of undecorated from Easter. Excuse the cardboard taped to it, but that is because our kitten likes to try to climb up the fireplace, up the chimney. So that's a temporary thing. So yeah, so this is sort of like blank canvas now. And so this is the garland that I just took off. And this is what I'm going to use to make a new one. So this is from Ikea. There's two branches of it. And I'm going to cut them apart to decorate the mantelpiece. So you just need to cut these off. They're like plastic stems. So you need a strong pair of scissors. Just basically cut through the plastic, and through the plastic there's a wire that you'll just be able to like bend to snap off. And then you want to stretch these out like this, and then just sort of decorate. So here is the finished job. It's quite low key. I think when I sort of get out and about, I might forage for some leaves or something just to give it a little bit extra. But for now, I'm quite pleased with that. I've also decorated the fireplace by moving some of these plants. These are artificial flowers. And this is, I think it's a monstera that I've been growing. If you watch my last video, you know that I'm really into like gardening and stuff at the moment. So yeah, I've been growing that, and yeah, I just need to put a quote on the board, spring themed quote. So yeah, but yeah, little spring mantelpiece refresh.